most accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Frank Subaru on the Mile of Cars.
We've had rain, we're going to get rain, and then we're going to get some more rain. It's all good news.
Now everybody thinks it's going to rain every day.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much, just blank, you missed it.
Yeah.
Alrighty, it's a little windy out there still tonight in some parts of the county, including our mountains and deserts, where those winds are going over 20 miles per hour. There's also a chance that we'll see some flurries in Mount Laguna tonight and anywhere close to that 6,000 feet mark. Overall, the rain totals were very impressive in our mountains as expected. 4 inches in Julian, over 5 in Palomar Mountain, and almost 1.5 inches in Fallbrook. And in Sanitas, over 1 inch of rain, closer to 2 in Alpine, Fashion Valley, with all the issues we had, and only about 1 inch of rain. In San Diego, 0.8. That is the most we've seen so far since November of 2015. So the last 2 years were actually a pretty dry month, and it was for us too, but one system can make all the difference. We have another one on the way. This one setting up just to the north, already producing rain into Northern California. As a dive south is going to increase the chances, but not until tomorrow night. What we still have in place, and the chances for even tomorrow morning in our mountains, is just leftover moisture from the storm that was here yesterday. Into the afternoon, you see it starts to expand in the same region, mountains and deserts, where we'll see the best chance of any additional accumulation. So light showers expected, but very few. Timing in the afternoon tomorrow all the way through Sunday morning. Rainfall expected between 1/4 to 1/10 of an inch. So this is not going to be an impressive system as far as rainfall is concerned. Gusty winds will be once again over the mountains and deserts, gusting up to 35 to 55 miles an hour. And then next week, we'll be watching for another storm system potentially here by the middle of next week. And right now it looks like it could bring some heavy rainfall. Look at the chances here. The 7-day outlook looking at 90% chance for next Wednesday. And it's actually pretty early for that to show such a good confidence level. 48 degrees tonight in Poway, 56 in San Diego, low 50s in Carlsbad tomorrow. It's going to be a cool day around the county with 60s and gusty conditions in the mountains, making it feel colder. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast at the coast, low 60s, sunnier on Sunday, dry Monday and Tuesday. Then we'll be tracking the next storm system potentially here by the middle of next week. It looks like Wednesday night into Thursday. That would make the 3rd Thursday in a row that we have a chance of rain in the forecast. We had it Thanksgiving morning, we had it yesterday, and then here comes another round next week.
Much needed when it comes in just the right amount, right?
It's true,
Yes.
very true. Yeah, thanks.